Welcome to Ridge Life. I'm Tim, and today we are not on the ridge. We are on Meredith's farm. Will today be the day? Will Summertown Metals get the Dutch door barn latches finally fixed? Will third time be the charm? Let's find out. We also got to do a little more wall work, so let's get it done. All right, Summertown Metals is here to finally get our barn Dutch door latches fixed. Let's see how it goes. Meredith and I have been working our tails off this weekend getting all this brush. This was all along the fence line and we tore it up. Chainsaw, she had all of it on the gator pulling it out. That girl can work. You can see we did a ton of cleaning along the barn line too, not just the fence line. If you remember, those crepe myrtles right there were huge. They were actually scratching the outside of the barn right there. That's how tall they were at one point. But we got them all cut back, cleaned up all the refuse. We have those gate panels there. We're gonna get those out of the way. We'll get this weed eated soon, but making improvements to the farm. You can see here we got a bunch more of the light hoof mud control system. I got a couple more in the barn, and then we're gonna do a bunch on the outside. I mean, we have a bunch more to do on the inside, but we're gonna do some of the outside first so we can use that run-in area. Of course, we've also got to do in front of the Dutch doors on this side as well. So last time we were here on Meredith's farm, you can see I did all that light hoof and the rubber right there. We actually been using it. You can see Reese has left some gifts for us there. So that's working out great. What's not working out great is old Karen's tire here. I have, oh my gosh, I got 3 plugs in the sidewall there, and you know that's not a good idea. So pretty sure we're going to be getting a brand new tire for Karen there. Seen her last days. All right, so while they're out there working on those Dutch doors, I'm going to start getting some of this plywood up on the wall. I can do this section here, and then down there, I need to tear that cross member up there, get that off, and see if I can get that wall done there. Starting to run a little low on hay, aren't we? We are down to about 1/3 of the 500 bales we had. You can see down there on the end, that's all Bermuda. We've been saving that for wet days and cold. You know, that was more for the winter, but all this alfalfa, it's been treating us well. We'll probably have to get another shipment in definitely before the wedding, or maybe, I don't know, we'll see. For us to use this install here, I need to get that 3/4 inch pressure treated plywood up on the wall. The horses can bite at that white insulation, kick it, scratch it, do all that. That's the last one to let these west end stalls be used. Now, we got tons more to do, but if I can just get that wood up there, maybe a little bit more, I'll be a happy camper. Before I can get any wood up, I got to get that cross member off there. Last time I had to get a hammer, and Meredith had to help me. I'm by myself today. So hopefully I can get that cross member off, get the wood up in there, and get that cross member back on. Get all that done before Meredith gets here. I'm hoping she's going to like what she sees with Summertown Metals and the Dutch door latches, and likes the work I get done as well. we got the screws off the bottom. I got the nails pretty much flattened on the inside there as we go up. You can still see them a little bit, but it still should allow me to slide the plywood in there. That's the goal, at least. If I can get one sheet in there, one sheet in there, and then of course I'll have to do a partial sheet right there like we've done down here. First one is in. Got it all nice and level. Got my block down below it. I gotta get that block out and I'll put it right there. This one's gonna be hard though. I have to slide it in and get it right behind there and get it fastened. This is where it took 2 people last time, so let's see if I can do it. Before we nail this second one into place, let's go check on Summertown Metals, see how they're doing on those latches. Are they gonna work? Fingers crossed. There's old Eclipse out there. And Magi's right next to him. Now guys, we try to keep it real here on RidgeLife. You can see we gotta do a dump run. We've been trying to clean out the party barn and around the pool. We still have the building materials pile from the barn build too. We just gotta get my 20-foot equipment trailer over here and start loading it up. We're trying to make progress a little bit at a time. There's Mooney Moo. Moto. You wish you could get in the pool, Mooney? You wish you could get in the pool? The water's nice. plan today is to mount a hook, a white powder coated hook. We'll have the hook mounted right here, and then we'll have a little loop or latch that the hook can attach to like that. And the hook will hang down, which is not a big deal whenever we close the door, because the bottom door can never open without the top door because of this lip right here. So if the bottom door is open, the top door has to be open, and we can lock them together by this hasp right there. So that is the plan, and I did verify that it matches pretty well. So we'll just see how it goes. You can see the hooks we're using right here, the fasteners.
Take the washer off. Say that right. About right there.
I'll mark it and we can move it and
yeah.
Here's the first latch we got done. You can see it on the door there. Come in. Now these screws are a little big, but you slide it right there, and actually it captures it pretty good. And wind shouldn't catch that, and of course, you know, the horses ain't gonna get caught by it either. Alright, we can see here we got those two done, and we got the end done there, so 3 of 5 done. All right, number 2 is in place. I did not nail in the cross member there because I still, if I nailed it into there, I wouldn't be able to slide it in there. I still have to be able to pull this back out to get that last piece in there. So we had to cut a piece the right width from down there. So we need 37.5, and these smaller pieces right here have been left over and don't really fill in a hole anywhere. So I don't want to waste them. So this is 20.5 and 17.75, and I need about 37.75, 38. These will work perfectly side by side to fill that little gap down there. And the fact that it's got the cross member over it, I think will hide it pretty good. All right, unfortunately, my piece down there is just a hair too big, so I will have to rip off a little bit of it. That's what I like to see. Right there, right there. Alrighty, that fit like a glove. Look at that, guys. Tight, tight, tight. I'll take that any day, and the elevation's just right. Let's get some nails in this thing. Right there. Before I get the nails in this cross member, I'm going to go ahead and get the screws in. That way the elevation's right, because it has to go pushed up all the way, which is right there, I do believe. Use my shoulder. All right, come on, dropped it. Next one. If I can do it without dropping. Here we go, push over. Now I can get the cross member nailed in. All right, we got that one buttoned up. Let's go out again and check on Summertown Metals. They should be finishing up the last latches there, and Meredith should be home pretty soon. We'll see what she thinks about the latches and the wall. Check in on Winnie the Moo. She's found a little bit of shade under that little bitty tree. Look at her. And there's Moto, the zebu. Cowgirl, she's the slow girl. She's a little bit on the slow side. Aren't you slow, cowgirl? I know you are. Mooney Moo enjoying the sunshine, catching some rays. Beautiful day for it, isn't it? See how well they hold. It's not pulling it. That's good. Last one.
There it is.
Last one.
All right, there's the last two doors complete. I know Meredith's gonna be happy about that. And I think the animals will be just as satisfied. They actually bought us a couple sheets of 20-foot red, barn red, in case we had any issues. So we're gonna store those on the side. I think those latches are gonna do just fine. Meredith's the expert and she's the final judge. Judge, get it? I think she's gonna be happy with it though. So she'll be home shortly. I am not gonna finish this wall over here. Three reasons. One, I'd have to move all that wood from in front of it. Two, I think I hurt my shoulder carrying that second big old piece of 3/4 inch plywood down. I gave it a jerk. Oh, and something happened back there, and I don't want to aggravate that worse than it is. And third, Meredith is just minutes away. Meredith just got home from work, and you know Summertown Meadows was here today, right?
Yeah.
And this is the third time they've been here to put these Dutch door top door latches on.
Okay.
Are you? Do you think they got it right this time? Do you have high hopes?
You were here.
There's a song like that. High hopes.
You were here, so I know if there's anything on the doors, then it's right. Because you would have made sure.
All right, let's go over and take a look at it, and you can tell us what you think.
Sounds good.
All right, baby. You can see the door behind you. You got both doors secured open. This one just has the Dutch door secured open. What do you think?
I think it looks good.
I mean, they said they could have done this a lot sooner if we would have been okay with silver or black. And I'm like, no, it's a white and red barn. We don't want silver or black. So,
Plus, I didn't need it sooner. I just needed it right.
does that function? Is that good?
Yeah, it's great. It looks great.
You got that one over there. See, check this one out. See, now both of these are latched together, and you can hold one door open, or you can hold both door open. Yeah, and then you can undo that. Click that back.
Ta-da.
But guess what?
What?
I did something else while I was watching them work. You know what it was? Besides feeding the animals?
Surprise me.
Surprise you. Let's go see.
Okay.
All right, baby. We got these stalls made up. I got the rubber done a week or so ago. What do you think? What about that?
I know. I thought you said you needed help. I thought it was a two-man job.
It is a two-man job, but you're lucky enough to be marrying one man that's two men.
Two men within one.
Yeah, you're not marrying two men. You're this is not Utah. Okay, we don't do it that way.
I don't think any country.
They don't even do that, but that's two
Nobody
women.
does it the other way around.
But how's that look?
No woman really wants two men.
Yeah, how's that look?
Awesome.
And I saved us some money.
How'd you do that? Oh, I could tell because you used 2 pieces of wood right there.
Yeah,
That's great.
2 pieces of wood, because those were not, you know, I was using little pieces for like over there, but those 2 just did not match well. 2 of them fit almost perfectly.
The end is in sight.
Yay!
Yay.
Now we can use every single one of these stalls can be completely used now. All right, baby, that saga is finally over. The Dutch door latches are done. Oh my gosh, I mean, I've got like 4 videos on them. Actually, we've got RidgeLife videos on me doing work in there while they're, and we also got rambling of talking about. So we got like 9 videos about Dutch door latches.
And there's more to come, because we were just talking about how we've still got to do the outside of the barn for the ground, the gravel.
Oh yeah, we still got tons more work. No more Dutch door work.
No, we're done with the Dutch doors.
Okay, but yes, the bunch more barn work. We got to put a loft in. We got to get all the light hoof on the outside for erosion control, because
and then more light hoof in there. In fact, you told me I need to order more fabric, don't I?
Fabric. We need fabric. Yeah.
Okay.
So, all right, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. It's always
100% free.
hit that notification bell to be notified.
Anytime a new video comes out.
And guys, until next time, hope everyone has a blessed day. Keep rambling.
Go RidgeLife.
Actually, this is RidgeLife.
Go
Go RidgeLife.
It is RidgeLife.
It is RidgeLife. This is not rambling. I said rambling.
Oh, I didn't say rambling.
No, it's all me.
I said, I don't think I ever say rambling.
No, I say. And I say it in the wrong time.